Hey friends, before we begin, I'd just like to do a quick shout out to the 10 people who watched my previous video. We celebrate the small wins on this channel, so thank you for being a part of the first milestone. The Singapore government has opened up the borders for travellers both coming into Singapore and out of Singapore, so we are taking this opportunity to travel for the first time since COVID started. In this video, I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks I've learned over the years on how to pack for 2 small children. We are going to attempt to squeeze all their belongings into one carry-on. I'm also going to show what we pack specifically for the plane ride so that the children can enjoy their journey and the adults don't go crazy. The last part of the video will cover how we involve our children in the packing process so that we can train them to be independent and responsible individuals as well. I might have to split the video into 2 parts depending on how the filming process goes and how long it takes because my children are coming home soon. So let's see how it goes. This might seem a little strange, but when I pack for children, instead of starting with an itinerary or clothes, I like to start by what is most important, and that is often food and milk. As my children are 3 and 6 years old, we have passed the stage of baby-led weaning. They eat exactly the same things as what adults eat. So the only thing they have to prepare is milk powder for their night milk feeds. If you'll be traveling with babies and toddlers who might need baby food, formula milk or breast milk, do let me know and I can do a video on what to prepare. After settling their food, the next item to prepare would be their clothes, which would make up the bulk of the packing. In general, I have found that a good rule to follow is to pack 1 day outfit, 1 night outfit per day of the trip, and then to add on 2 spare sets of clothes as a backup. Another tip is to match outfits that mix and match easily with each other so that you can extend your options during your trip, and also to pack items with dual purpose. These long pants and long sleeves are going to double up as their pajamas and their nightwear if we go out at night. Peek-a-boo! To save space, I like to pack the top, bottom and innerwear of an outfit together. This makes it easier to pack later on. They can be placed in any direction, whether flat, upright or stuffed into a corner. And it's also virtually indestructible by little hands. Let's say I'm folding the clothes halfway and I'm caught away as so often mothers are. Itchy fingers will not be able to destroy all the hard work that I have folded easily. When it comes time for the little ones to choose their outfit of the day, they can also easily grab one of these pre-packed packages and start dressing themselves. After packing the clothes, the next step would be to go through the child's daily life. Not the daily life on when we will be overseas and on holiday, but a daily life of a normal day in Singapore. So I literally go through everything that they do from the moment that they wake up, from brushing their teeth to gargling their mouths, combing their hair, putting on their socks and shoes, and what we grab before we leave the house, like water bottles. I find that planning based on a normal daily life in Singapore versus on what we'll be doing overseas really helps in ensuring that we don't miss out packing anything. After settling their food, clothes and daily essentials, we can now focus on trip-specific things. If it's going to be winter or there are special activities that require special gear, now would be the time to pack them into the luggage. For us, we are just going to the swimming pool, so all we are packing are their swimming costumes, swim ropes and swim shoes. Hey guys, so it's really late and video editing has me running around in circles. If I want the video to be uploaded on time tomorrow, I'm gonna have to accept that the video is going up as it is, as raw and rough around the edges as it is, as far away from what I envisioned in my mind as it is, just like all the other videos that have been uploaded so far. After becoming a mom, I've learned that I cannot live my life according to the motto of good is the enemy of best. Now in this season of my life, it's got to be something is better than nothing, and just showing up means everything. So actually, the reason why I created this YouTube channel is so that my children can have physical evidence that sometimes mommy tries her best and yet fails miserably. And it's okay to try so hard and yet fall so far away from where we hope to be or what we want to achieve. It's okay to feel sad, it's okay to feel disappointed, but most of all, it's okay to be kind to ourselves, to know that even though we are not there yet, it's okay, because one day we will get there. As long as we keep trying and we keep improving, we will get there one day. So keep trying, kiddos. See you in the next video. Bye.